Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be discussing how to achieve waves on locks, beach waves on locks. Now, my biggest tip would be to not to try to achieve beach waves on locks. And the reason why I say don't try to do it is because if you are going in the curling process trying to get loose waves and curls, they likely will not last a day. They're likely going to fall out, drop from moisture in the air, from heat. So what I do recommend is that you aim for a tighter curl. And as the tighter curl drops, then you will eventually get to the wavy stage, which is where I'm at. So I initially had perm rod curls. I didn't show you guys my perm rod set. I know you guys saw my recent pipe cleaner set, but this is from a perm rod set. Pipe cleaner curls won't achieve this. The curls are too tight. But the perm rods, as they drop, it hasn't even been a week yet, but I can't front. I was not taking care of my curls as I should be. I just should have, so they did drop faster than normal. But that is the result. This is the result of fallen perm rod curls, okay? And they last a lot longer than if I would have went into it trying to achieve the beach wave. So keep that in mind if you are attempting this very summery lock style effect. Make sure you're going in for a tighter curl, like the curls you would achieve from a perm rod set, and eventually they'll drop and you'll get the beach wave effect. And as those curls drop, you will experience different types of curls throughout the process. The next time I curl my hair, I will show you the daily droppage so you can see the different types of curl you can get from a basic perm rod set. So if you have an event coming up and you know you want the beach wavy effect for that event, try to do the curls in advance, maybe a week or so in advance, so that once it gets to the falling stage, it'll land right on your event, okay? So today is Tuesday, April 29th. I will continue to have my buy one get one free offer for the long Locs head wraps on KeishaCharmaine.com for the remainder of the week. So definitely hop on this offer and get your favorite head wraps while your favorite colors are available. So head over to KeishaCharmaine.com now and stock up. Don't just buy one, get one. Buy two, get two. Buy three, get three. You know? We have a bunch of beautiful colors for you to choose between. So make sure you head over there right now. Link is down below. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.